Welcome back to the channel. Today's episode, a little bit of a change of pace. Usually we would be working on either the drift car or one of my other cars. But if you noticed in the last video behind me, there was an absolute huge mound of sand by my house. And now that I have decided that I will be filming all my videos from home and building my cars from home as well, I figured it would be a great idea to start organizing our backyard and do all of our landscaping before I started investing more time in making more videos. So let me show you what we got up to. So obviously the first stage was getting my driveway organized at home. Originally there was just mud and sand absolutely everywhere. So that's all been done now. And then all of the sand and soil that they pulled out of this area was all moved to the other side of the house. And the method behind the madness of keeping all that soil was because my backyard was looking very, very sad. So here is the end result right now. You can see that my backyard has been fully filled in with soil. I had a new retaining wall built. Then I had my best mate come over. We grabbed a BOBCAT and decided that we'll take all the soil that we had at the front of the house and bring it into the backyard, level it out, and create an area where, you know, either we can drive through and bring our cars into the backyard or just somewhere for the kids to play. So I've time-lapsed a whole bunch of that footage right now. It's a footage taken from my security cameras that I have around the house. So super excited that we didn't lose any of that footage and I was able to put it together in a video. So I'm gonna play that for you now and we'll see you at the end. Today's content was a little bit different to the usual footage or the usual videos that I would put up working on either my drift car or some of my race cars. But the good news is now all that landscaping is done, so we can focus on the BMW drift car. And now we have the space to get it down into the driveway right near my garage. So hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and we will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.